Instagram, we disabled your account, problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this issue. So guys, if you're facing this type of issue, then watch this video till the end. First of all, what you need to do is that there is only one way you can get back your account, and then I'm gonna show you what you have to do. But to be honest, in my experience, I would say you that 95% of the account are not gonna get back. Okay, but if you wanna try it out, if you want to be in that 5% chances to fix that problem or to get back this account, then watch the video till the end. So let's get started. So just go to Google, and then here you have to search for Instagram Help Center. Okay, after searching for Instagram Help Center, here you can see on the top Instagram Help Center. Just click on it, and then it will redirect you to a page here. Just hold on. Here you can see this type of interface will be pop up. Just click on Not Now option, scroll down, and then here you can see the minus icon. Just tap here and then scroll down. Now here you can see you'll get one option, Contact Us. Simply click on Contact Us, and then from here just scroll down, and here you will get to see FB Go India support dot this link. Just copy this. Okay, and then now what you need to do, you have to go to Gmail. Okay, now here you have to click on Compose, and then add this here. Okay, now here you can see subjects. In subject you have to write Instagram account recovery. Okay, now here in the Compose mail, what you have to do is that in this particular video there is a description box. Go to the description box and go to my Telegram channel. Here you can see this type of channel will be open up. Now here you can see the prompt here. This is the prompt. So what you need to do is that you just need to copy this prompt from here. Now come to your email, and then here just paste the prompt, and then here you can see username. Just type your own username. Let me just go for this one, and then here on the bottom you can see you have to type your own contact mail. Okay, so let me just type my contact mail, and then click on send option, and then you have to wait for 24 to 48 hours. They will respond you. They will be asking you your identity, and then you can fix this problem. This is the only way you can apply, and there is no other way you can fix this problem.